All right, what is... Wrong shirt. Give me a moment. All right, now we're ready. Roll the intro. What is good, YouTube? This is Flacco here, back with another video. Today, we are going to be doing another unboxing for my sneakerhead, sneaker freaks, sneaker leaks, all the good news. I actually ordered these shoes off of StockX and they just got here because I thought I wasn't gonna get the drop when they dropped, but come to find out they haven't even dropped yet. I got this week's drip a little bit early and I'm happy that I did. For those who are new or yet another watcher continuing to watch, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your comments below. Let me know how you feel about the video. Let me know what you want to see me unbox or something specifically that you want to see, just so we can be on the same page when it comes to getting to know each other, because it's so nice to see all you beautiful faces. Beautiful, handsome, sexy, fine, whatever. All the nice faces that are out there that continue to watch this video. I know you guys are curious of what shoe I picked up. We're just gonna dive into it so you can see what we're unboxing. Like I did say, guys, this is the first shoe that I've ordered from StockX. So I'm hoping that StockX didn't let me down.
A few inches later.
Moment of truth, because I did just order another pair of shoes from StockX.
A few moments later.
So the Nike React 87s, like I said, I am a size 8, and purchasing from StockX, you get this nice little green card. Welcome to the future of sneakers and the future of blah 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 blah. CEO at StockX. Nike React 87s light or wood brown. I think on the sneakers app, this is called the Lime Time 87s. Apparently they've been pushing this sneaker back from dropping on the 12th. Now it's dropping on the 17th, but then I think it's dropping actually on the 29th. Nike is continuing to play with our emotions. Without further ado, I don't really know how to feel about them in person. Give it to granted, I paid for them, and yeah, I really wanted them. They look pretty dope. I like the colorway on it. I like the transparent look, and then you also do have that verified StockX. You see the orange check on the side of the shoe. The whole shoe is going to be transparent. I really love the vault color that's gonna be on there, and then at the bottom how it has the vault with the white. I just think the colorway of the shoe is dope. Like, it's amazing. From the orange check on the front and the orange check on the side, and the fact that it's being transparent. This is my very first pair of Nike React 87s. I'm brand new, so this is taking my virginity, and I thought, why not just take my virginity really hard and go for something that I really wanted. These are definitely it. I'm happy that I got them, and I'm happy that I was able to get them early off of StockX for a good price too. Dropping for $160 later on this month, but I went ahead and picked it up because I'm like, I don't think I want to wait, and I don't want to catch an L on getting this shoe, which I caught a huge W in the track. Any more happier with this pickup. I definitely say it was a W, and I'm happy that I was able to get it early from StockX. I mean, this is my first purchase from StockX, and more than likely this is gonna be more purchases from StockX because they didn't let me down. I just look at the colorway. Like, the colorway on here would make you jizz your fucking pants. Like, I'm jizzing my pants as we speak.
12 seconds later. Epilogue. One shift later.
StockX will get future purchases from me. I'm definitely not gonna complain about that one. After having the 87s on feet, they're actually really comfortable. Only thing that I don't like about them is like the texture of it makes it look like it's easier to crease, or it's easier to just lose its actual shape. That's the only negative about the shoe that I don't like. As far as for the shoe, it's just really dope. It's comfortable. The inside of it, the inside with the soles is also dope. I like how it has that champagne bottle top on the inside as the actual sole of the shoe. That's actually pretty cool that that is something that's inside of the shoe. pretty excited to see what other colorways that they're gonna drop for this year. And I'm probably gonna add more to my collection. Don't forget, but you probably don't forget, just like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're planning on picking up this shoe and what are your thoughts as far as the colorway, because I know there's 4 other colors that are dropping. This one was just my favorite color out of all of the ones that are releasing allegedly on the 29th. First it was the 11th, then it was the 17th, now it's the 29th. So hopefully Nike will get their shit together and just actually release the shoe. But this shoe is dope. Till next time, guys. Flacco out.